Hello guys, this is Mark Marcelo from Filipino Tech Addict, and we will have this is our first impressions with the Kata M2. This is the latest flagship smartphone from Kata, and actually we already unboxed it nakuha na namin sa box and all. Pero check lang natin kung ano yung nasa loob ng box and our first impressions sa kanyang hardware and sa kanyang software so far. Kasi we just had this for a day. Isang araw lang. Anyway, so what's inside the box is so we have the manual, headset, USB, and adapter, charger. So, yan ang laman niya. And this is the phone itself. Ay, nakapatay pa siya. Pero sa aming first impressions, mukha siyang yung pattern, the matte finish niya, para siyang, it reminds us of the Oppo Find 7. Nakikita niyo yan, this one. It reminds us so much of the Oppo Find 7. Ganito yung likod ng Oppo Find 7 and Find 7A. It's very nice, elegant looking. So we have here the black version. On the sides, as you can see, may para siyang chrome, meron siyang parang chrome finish. Ito. And also on the other side. Yan. Anyway, ang removable naman ng battery nito, medyo mahirap lang siyang buksan at first. Pero, ayan. So, battery is, we have a 2,300 milliampere battery. And, ganito ang itsura ng kanyang SIM card tray. So, meron siyang micro SIM. This is I think, SIM 1. And this is for the micro SD. And at the bottom, I don't know kung nakikita. Ayun. So dito naman sa side na to, yung regular SIM, which is yung SIM 2. So yun, sa may slot na yun sa ilalim. So doon ang lagayan ng mga SIM cards. Dito micro SD, micro SIM, and regular SIM over there. So, pasok na natin. And let's boot the phone. Okay, habang nagbo-boot yung phone, rundown ng specs muna. So, meron siyang 1.3 GHz quad-core MediaTek MT6582 processor, 1 GB RAM. It has a very generous 16 GB of internal memory, expandable via microSD up to 32 GB. May cloud storage pa siya. Meron siyang online storage na available. Ang kataga niya, meron siya talagang ganun. So, 5.5-inch Super HD IPS LCD display, 13-megapixel camera with autofocus and flash. Yan. This is 13-megapixel autofocus and flash. And we have a 5-megapixel front-facing camera over here. There. And as you can see kanina, dual SIM din to, dual standby. So, meron din siyang HSPA Plus, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth 4.0, And yan yan, 2,300 milliampere battery. And this is running Android 4.4 KitKat. So, para malaman natin KitKat talaga siya. There. Ayan. It's KitKat. Anyway, I'm gonna use this for a week. Pero sa aking first impressions, I'm already impressed with the hardware. Very solid, very elegant, lalo na to. Very elegant looking yung kanilang lalo tong likod na to. Gustong gusto ko actually. Kasi hindi siya nag-attract ng fingerprints. Tapos hindi siya nag-attack ng fingerprints and smudges. And I like gusto ko yung pagkaka-pattern niya, yung ganito. Para talagang Oppo Find 7 actually. The screen's also good. Viewing angles, as you can see, very good, very nice. Very sharp. HD kasi siya. And so far, wala pa kaming nada-download na games. As you can see, wala pa siyang masyadong games. Pero as you can see, meron siyang Kata Cloud. Ayun, no? Meron siyang online storage na you can use if you don't want to get an expandable memory. If you want to keep your photos, videos, or any files online, pwede sa Kata Cloud yun. Then, other than that, so far wala pa kaming nakukuhang wala pa kaming nada-download pala na games or even the Antutu benchmarks. Pero sa mga gusto nang makita yung camera, well, demo na natin ngayon para ito. Para makita na ng sambayanan ang camera. Ayan. As you can see, very detailed naman ang kanyang kuha. This is kasi with good lighting. So, we will further test yung camera sa other lighting conditions like yung medyo dark, yung medyo dim, yung total darkness. So, lahat yan matetest natin sa ating full review. Antutu benchmarks will be also posted on our first impressions. Kasi to I'm still writing yung aking first impressions article as I take this video. So anyway, full review will be coming for within a week. Magkakaroon tayo ng review. So far, first impressions, really good display, fluid performance, and nice build quality. Lalo na to. Very good. It's quite heavy lang for some. This is a big phone. Remember, this is 5.5 inch display. So medyo mabigat, may bigat siya, may bigat factor siya. So we will take this for a spin for a week, and full review will be coming very soon. And again, this is Mark Marcelo from Filipino Tech Addict. Thank you for watching.